Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. We are in the final week of my slow cooker month. This is in celebration of my new book, Fresh Flavors for the Slow Cooker, which has officially hit bookstore shelves. I've been featuring slow cooker recipes all month. Today I've got one more for you. The recipe is kind of in the book. I'll explain that in a minute. We are making slow cooker sweet potatoes. So this totally revolutionized my kitchen game because A, it is so stinking easy, but B, you can perfectly cook sweet potatoes in the slow cooker, meaning if you go out to work all day or do your thing, when you get home, you have either a fluffy sweet potato that you can eat as a side dish or as a healthy main course. In the book, I make a fajita stuffed sweet potato, which basically tastes like a giant nacho, which I love. But today I'm gonna show you some other really easy variations, easy things you can do to transform these sweet potatoes into a flavor-packed meal. I can't wait to get cooking, so let's head to the kitchen. And if you haven't yet already subscribed to my channel, be sure you do so that you don't miss out on any of my family-friendly, wholesome, delicious, and naturally gluten-free recipes. If you hit that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video.
First, we need to wash our sweet potatoes, and this is actually an important step, and I'll explain why in just a minute. Now, I am cooking 4 sweet potatoes today, but really you can cook as many as will fit in your slow cooker in a single layer. Speaking of slow cookers, give your slow cooker a spritz with cooking spray or rub it with oil, and then arrange those wet potatoes inside. That damp skin is going to help them to steam. Season them well with salt and pepper, and you guys, I told you this was an easy recipe because that's all you have to do. Put the lid on and we're gonna let that cook until the potatoes are tender. It'll take about 6 to 8 hours on low or 4 to 5 hours on high, depending on your slow cooker. These steamy, hot baked potatoes are ready to eat. So you can transfer them to plates, slice them open, and now here's the fun part. You have the option of either just adding a pat of butter and some salt and pepper and devouring this as a delicious side dish, or you can transform it into a healthy meal. To do that, I just like to pile the sweet potatoes with different toppings. Here I have sauteed greens, chickpeas, and tahini. This is a vegan version. You could do a fajita or a taco version with sauteed peppers and onions, guacamole, crumbled cheese, all your favorite fixings. Or what about a barbecue version? This one has barbecue pork, cheddar cheese, and some more barbecue sauce and scallions on top. You guys, the sky is the limit. This is a great time to clean out the leftovers in your fridge, and you can let your family and friends build their own potatoes.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you like these slow cooker sweet potatoes. I want to hear what toppings you put on your potatoes, so let me know in the comments below. I have linked to the full recipe below, and I will also link to my book, Fresh Flavors for the Slow Cooker, where you can find a ton of other slow cooker recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.